What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're going to be turning my Jeep into a full Android system. I know I've done a video like this in the past, but for today, my Jeep is getting some love. So let's go ahead and show you guys this brand new product and show you guys how it works. If at the end of the video you want it, make sure to check out that description box below. So now that we're inside, we're going to show you guys the brand new Carlin box that I have in my hand, which is going to allow you to watch Netflix, YouTube, surf the web, and many other things like downloading apps. Let's crack this bad boy open, and here's the black box. This is what's going to make it work. So let's show you guys. So inside, you're going to get the actual modem that you're going to need to install. And then inside here, you're going to get an instruction manual, just like that. It's going to show you how to use it, how to add it, and kind of what does what. And it's also going to come with 2 wires. The reason for this is on one end of the wire will connect onto the black box, and on the other end, depending on what your vehicle has, for example, if your car has USB, you'll use the USB input cord, or if your car does have a type of cord like this to insert in, then you insert it with that. As far as for me, my car does use either or, so I'm going to be using the one that's like this because for my phone, I use the USB one. So it's cool that they actually provided 2 different cords. So let's crack this bad boy open and you're going to see how easy it is. So you're going to see in the back over here, there's going to be 3 different inputs. The bigger one on this side is going to be if you have a micro SD, that'll insert there. And now on this side is if you have a nano SD. And the cool thing about inserting one of those is if you do download apps, you can download many more because of course it's going to be like your memory card. And right here in the center is where you're going to connect the wire that you're going to be using for this application. So you just insert, it's super easy, it's the power button. Once you have it inserted just like that, now wherever your USB or your connector like this is, go ahead and connect it. One thing I do want to let you guys know before I connect it is your vehicle does have to have CarPlay from the factory for this thing to actually work. So keep that in mind before you do purchase it. But if at the end of the video you do want to go ahead and purchase it, it's going to be in the description box below. All right, so once you insert it, you're going to want to pay attention to here. You want to make sure these lights light up. Once it lights up, if you look over here on the screen of your vehicle, you're going to have to wait for it to load a screen. So just give it a couple seconds and it should load up. The first time that you actually connect it, it's probably going to give you a warning screen, meaning you won't use this device when you're driving. Who cares about that though? Because you know I'm going to use it for that. But it's just a law that they have to put on. So just wait for it. Once it loads up, it'll tell you what's next. So as you guys can see, here is the warning sign. All it's doing is just telling you, to be cautious and blah, blah. Let's go ahead and just agree and accept. Now that you have the screen loaded up, cool thing with this bad boy here is you're going to see it already has some pre-downloaded apps. But if you guys do go to the App Store, you can go ahead and download more apps. Whatever you choose, it'll work. This basically acts as your actual cell phone. So anything you can do on your phone, you're now going to be able to do it on this. For me, we do go on road trips a lot, so I'm going to use it for Netflix and stuff like that, which in a bit I'll show you guys that it works while driving. Keep in mind that is super illegal. I don't care, but just letting you guys know. So you're going to go ahead and go to your settings before you can actually make any of this work. And keep in mind, if you guys do want to go ahead and get this product, you're going to have some type of hotspot or some way to get this thing some internet. As far as for me on my phone, I do have a hotspot and it's unlimited, so it doesn't matter to me. But for you guys, if you guys do want it to work properly, you can either do that or go ahead and purchase your own self modem to go ahead and get some hotspot. So it's super simple. You just go to the internet and then you select the internet that you're going to want to use. All right, you guys, and once it's connected, now you're free to actually use any of this stuff. I know the radio on the Jeep is a little bit small, but it's still going to work for what I need it for. The one on my Tacoma that I did previously, that screen's super nice, so it's pretty cool on that one because it feels like you're watching a TV or something like that. And I know it's super, super similar, but I did keep getting questions asked about that product on my Tacoma. So I figured why not make another video about it and just kind of show you guys that it works while you're driving. So right here is the maps. which I can go ahead and load up real quick just to show you guys that it works. So there's the maps. I can go ahead and search whatever I want. Let's go ahead and go to YouTube, and we'll drive the Jeep around and show you guys that that'll work while driving. Just for copyright purposes, we'll go ahead and go to my YouTube channel and go from there, so that way I don't get copyright strike. So there I am right there. Make sure you guys are subscribed. If you're not yet, just hit that button. It takes 1 second, and I appreciate it a lot if you guys do it. Let's go ahead and click on my brand new video and just show you guys. You guys can see it's on. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and start driving, and you're gonna see it's not gonna go away. So it'll still work no matter where you go. Of course, my reverse camera is set up, so it's gonna turn off. But once we go and drive, it'll work perfectly fine. So as you guys can see, I'm driving and it's still on. It won't go away. And then to hire it, it's regular.
2-inch lift. So for today, as you guys do know, now I have 35s on the Tacoma. I have Total Chaos long travel kit, locked off-road, triple bypasses, double bypasses in the front. So as of right now, it's super comfy, but I'm excited to see just kind of how it flexes as well. So if you guys are excited for that as well.
So as you guys just saw, you can add Netflix, you could add a bunch of other things. All right, you guys, so now that you guys saw today's quick video on the Jeep, making it an Android system, so that way I can fully use all the capabilities of this bad boy in this little black box. If you guys do want it, make sure to check out the description box below. And if you guys do have any more questions on it, make sure to comment it down below. Once again, I only did today's video, if I'm being quite honest, because I kept getting questions about the one on my Tacoma. So figured, why not get one for this bad boy? So please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
JesseRizo is here for you. It's here for you now. Like I said, it's super simple. Please feel free to subscribe.